Live the Southwest Florida dream in this immaculate pool home. Welcome to this stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom pool home in the thriving Northwest Cape Coral area. Designed for both luxury and function, this home offers an impressive open floor plan, a sideload 2-car garage, and exceptional attention to detail throughout. From the moment you arrive, the home's tile roof, high-impact windows and doors, and sleek metal fencing set the tone for modern living. Step inside to find 8-foot interior doors, deluxe porcelain tile flooring throughout, and a spacious, light-filled layout perfect for entertaining or relaxing in style. The gourmet kitchen is a showstopper, boasting acrylic cabinets, quartz countertops, an oversized kitchen island, and stainless steel appliances, perfect for family meals or gathering with guests. The living room features a contemporary fireplace and opens effortlessly to the expansive lanai. Enjoy true Florida outdoor living with a fully equipped summer kitchen, heated pool, and outdoor shower. Automatic hurricane shutters on the lanai add an extra level of security, and the fenced yard is ideal for children, pets, or storing your boat on the side of the home. Additional features include a sprinkler system, a backyard shed, and a laundry room with quartz counters, washer, and dryer included. Best of all, this home is not in a flood zone, and city water and sewer assessments are in and paid, a major bonus. Located close to shopping, restaurants, and everything Cape Coral has to offer, this home blends luxury, comfort, and peace of mind. Schedule your private tour today and experience this exceptional home for yourself.